After some more grueling grammar, let's switch back to vocabulary. Parts of the body are very important to know, especially for medical students who need to memorize so much terminology. Knowing the basis for these words in Latin will make that task much easier. Let's start with the head. Caput, capitis. Cerebrum, cerebri. Facies, faciei. Coma, comae. Oculus, oculi. Nasus, nasi. Nares, narium. Os, oris. Labium, labii. Auris, auris. Dens, dentis. Lingua, linguae. Frons, frontis. Gena, genae. Barba, barbae. Now let's move on to the rest of the body. Corpus, corporis. Collum, colli. Manus, manus. Digitus, digiti. Brachium, brachii. Pectus, pectoris. Dorsum, dorsi. Cor, cordis. Sanguis, sanguinis. Stomachus, stomachi. Crus, cruris. Genu, genus. Os, ossis. Pes, pedis. Let's use these words in some simple sentences. Ambulo pedibus. Manduco dentibus. Audio auribus. Video oculis. Concoquo stomaco. Cogito cerebro. And now we know the names of the body parts in Latin, but what do we adorn these body parts with? Let's move forward and learn about clothes next.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Support me on Patreon so I can keep making content. And as always, feel free to email me, ProfessorDaveExplains@gmail.com.